I am so relieved to say that the doctor said it went really well.
He actually said it went perfect.
Yeah. It's perfect how Mr. Felix.
Oh my goodness.
Love you so much, Mama. Yeah.
His little squeaks are killing me, though.
He's probably in pain.
It's okay.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Well, we're on the other side of it now, guys. And it's just time for him to heal and recover and get a bunch of love.
What are you doing? You watching the sunset, buddy? Whoa! Hola, mi amor. You want some scratchies? You want some daddy scratchies? Good boy. I surgery didn't knock you down at all, huh? I mean, physically it did. I just saw you tip over, but nope, not that beautiful spirit of yours. I am just so proud of this little guy. So proud of him.
Our little Mr. Felix did it. I think we're all proud of you, mister. Here's to Felix's next chapter on all fours, sprinting down the beach or wherever he ends up.
Thank you guys so much for helping make this possible.
Yeah.
We're so grateful for all of your support, all of your love.
Thank you for believing in us and believing in our Felix. And he just wants to say how much he loves you guys. So tell him, Felix. I love you guys, you're freaking nuts.
All right, well, we better go make an extra comfy, extra secure bed for him so that he's nice and safe tonight.
Good night, buddy. I love you so much. I love you, Felix. I love you, and I love your little bear bum. I love your little bear bum. Look at that booty. Look at that booty. Oh my gosh. Why did they shave your bum? Okay. Good night.